Morning, everybody, or evening, afternoon, depending on where you are in the world. I just wanted to say a quick hello and a big thank you for the amount of enthusiasm coming into the channel already. We would rather not get too stuck on token economics and so on just yet. We'll have a document in about a week's time to talk about the token sales and the terms and stuff like that. But actually what we're more interested in right now is really garnering interest from people who want to either submit or validate information about URLs that will end up on the blockchain into a registry that can then be used by companies that want to build better products. So for example, Rocket Chat is the most widely used open source messaging app and a fantastic competitive app to Slack. And Gabriel is in the Telegram group. And we have a partnership in place where as soon as the blockchain and the registry is ready, we're going to build an open source module so that customers on Rocket Chat will be able to switch on anti-phishing. And of course, what it's going to do is use all of the phishing information inside the registry so that people can be protected. So if you submit links or validate links, then you're adding value to that network. There will be other use cases as well. On day one, we'll have about 800,000 to 1 million domains that you'll be able to go to a website and just check the domain and also the category that it belongs to. So it could be sports, religion, media, entertainment, banking, and so on. Once you submit a link to one of those categories, other people will then validate that. There's like gamification in the software of the token that then ultimately decides when it's categorized. And as soon as it's categorized, then everybody gets their tokens. And that information doesn't go into a security product, but it can be used for other use cases that we haven't even thought about. But one obvious use case is that advertisers, brands, platforms, networks will be able to use the registry to get insight on a URL's category type so it can provide better advertising. So advertising doesn't excite us or get us up in the morning. The security does. But that's just to give you a little bit of insight. Keep the questions coming. If anybody's asked me a question that I haven't got around to answering either at all or sufficiently, please let me know. We're going to get as many of our kind of team and advisors into the channel as we can. Obviously, they're not going to be engaging as much as me and Ian and some of the other guys on the team because they have a life and they have other things to do, like helping us build the business. Not saying that we don't have those things to do, but kind of explaining what we're trying to achieve and getting your participation to make it better is what Ian and I are going to kind of do more than anything else. So thanks. Share the channel. We do not want to do paid advertising to drive traffic to our Telegram channel. That doesn't interest us. What we want are people that are actually excited by the project. So please send an invite to 3 people who you think would love to participate in this. And let's get it going. Let's get as many people in there as we possibly can. We'll be able to engage ongoing no matter how big it goes. We've helped to build communities before. Ian has actually built, he hasn't built, he started and then kind of fostered the growth of the Mozilla community. And I've helped to do the same for companies like Telefonica and Vodafone and projects at the W3C. So it's about engaging, it's about participating, it's about the conversation. It's not about us having an announcement channel where we just have a one-way broadcast. If we have anything important to say, then obviously we want your feedback or questions. So engage, get involved, tell us what you like, tell us what you don't like, and look forward to working with you.